Hi, Alistair Creelman here, and a little run through of how I use the social bookmarking tool Diigo. Okay, as you can see, Diigo is it's a site for organizing your material for research and for your teaching. It's on the net. You can store all your bookmarks in one place under one account. You can access your bookmarks from anywhere, and you can enter the bookmarks from any device you happen to be using. So it's extremely handy to do that. In Diigo, I've been using it for several years. You create a library. If I go into my library here I can see things that I have saved all through the years, and you can see there's rather a lot. I've got almost 1,000 tags, and you can see the most popular tags I've used. Of course, education is pretty big, and there's quite a few others there. You can see how many times. And if I want to see everything that I have bookmarked under a certain tag, for example, Open Education, I just click there and I get a link. This main view is just my latest links. Some automatically get great big pictures. I don't know why this one is here, but I bookmarked that, and that's what I got. Otherwise, they look like this. There are various reports, interesting sites, handbooks, articles, and so on. Each one I can see where its address is. I can go directly to it, and I can see the key tags that I've put on it. And the tags are very important. If you don't tag anything, you'll never find it again. So using tags, you can find whatever you've got. Now you can see down here I've got 61 pages worth like this of links, which is rather a lot. So it's better to search or use the tags to find what I want. So every week I put something into Diigo. Now anyone in the world can see, if they want, what I am doing. Because if you go to my Diigo address and look up my profile, ALACRE, you can actually see what I'm bookmarking, if indeed you're interested in such things. So you can actually follow other people. There's a place, My Network, and here you can, actually this seems to be dominated by one person at the moment, but anyway, you can see what your, you can add people to your network, and they don't need to know that you have added them at all, because by using this you are agreeing to share your bookmarks. So anyone in the world can follow you and get an idea of what you are bookmarking. I don't follow terribly many people, but there are some extremely active, as in this case. What's really interesting and useful, I think, is the group function, because here you can create a group around bookmarks so that in a project you can together in the same group create a reading list or a reference list. Or if you're writing an article with somebody else, you can start getting all your references in here. So here we've got the Open Network Learning group, and here we've got a bit about the course, and you can see that we've been uploading useful articles here. And yeah, there's quite a few already in the collection. You can see the people who are active members of this group. You can invite more people. And you can change the settings. So you can share this group with whoever you want to be involved. And you can see which of the tags are most useful. One thing that is even better with this, one thing I really like, is that, for example, here's one, what is digital literacy, that Maria has put up. Now I might want to comment. So I can click on comment, and I can write my comments on this article. And everyone in the group can comment. So for example, with students, you could encourage them to to put in items that should be on the class reading list, and get them to criticize each other's or to review each other's choices and create a discussion around each entry. So that in a way, this is not just bookmarking, you're creating a social context around bookmarking where people can review each other's bookmarks, criticize, and so on. So I think that comment, creating discussions around bookmarks, is a very interesting concept. So I have several. I can go into another one about OER and languages, and here you can see different people who have entered, and there are a little bit of discussion, a little bit of extra points about the entry. So for example, here I've put in one about a site called Marifa, Knowledge for All, and I've then added later, when I realized I should have put some more information, here's more information about the site. And someone else could then reply to that, and we create a dialogue. Okay, so there's my groups. Over here we've got community, and this is the entire Diigo community. So this is these are the hot bookmarks. This is what's being bookmarked at the moment by the community in general. If I wanted to see, okay, all the people on Diigo, what are they writing, what are they bookmarking in a particular field? If I take, for example, MOOC, relevant for us, and search there, here I get the most popular bookmarks at the moment that have been tagged with the tag of MOOC. And I can see this one, top 10 sites for free education with elite universities. 305 people have tagged this, so it's quite a popular article. I can click to see all the people who have tagged this, I can see all of them. Some of them are anonymous, which makes me think I'm not going to follow them, but some of them might be a little bit more high profile or active, and I might want to follow them because they seem to be bookmarking the same things as me, and therefore it's quite interesting to follow them. In this case, I probably wouldn't follow any of these people because there's almost no information about them. This Ben P, he's only got one follower. He's maybe not so, who knows? But I can actually browse around all the users and start following people, putting them into my network like this, and following people who I trust and who I think will provide me with interesting links. So that's a little bit about Diigo. It's up to you to get started and see what you can do with it.